Hi guys, my name is Tungasuvvingat, and today we're talking about psychoeducational, or moving forward together. The government of Canada is working with Inuit partners to ensure that Inuit children have everything they need to succeed. If you haven't heard about the Child First Initiative or how it can help us, then this is the place to be because I'm sort of an expert. The Child First Initiative, or CFI for short, is a federal program that helps Inuit children and youth like me to get the help they need when they need it. It doesn't matter where you live in Canada. You can apply to CFI if there's something you need to make your life better. The first thing you might want to know is who can apply. That's easy. Inuit kids between 0 and 18 who are a part of a land claims agreement can ask CFI for help. If you have an N number, you can use that too. This is a big question. I can't possibly list all the things you might need, but it may help if you think of it more as a big picture. We all have things we need in our lives to make us successful. Things like education, connection to culture, someone we trust, physical activity, and fun with friends and family. These needs are different for every kid, and some of us have a harder time getting all these needs met. This is where CFI comes in. Just in case that wasn't enough information for you, here is a list of some things that has been approved by the CFI in the past. See, I told you I was an expert. So this is my favorite part of CFI. Group applications. Ta-da! Individual applications can help kids get their own needs met, but group applications can help whole groups of kids with similar needs. We can get access to services like cultural camps, educational supporters, and other really cool programs. If your organization has an idea to help Inuit kids like me, even you can apply. I also have connections to get you started. TI has a group application specialist that can help you. How do you apply for CFI? What do you need? Well, you only need 3 things, but I'm not gonna lie, it may seem complicated. Number 1, you need letters from people in your community, like teachers, doctors, or nurses, and other community helpers. These letters explain what you need and how CFI can help. Number 2, you need more letters. These usually come from an adult or family member who can help explain the bigger picture and why you need what you're asking for. Number 3, you need to know how much it will cost. All these can be overwhelming, but don't you worry, I got you. TI also has some people who can help with this. They can even help with you to get all those letters. These are big words. I'm not even gonna try. Wait, substantive equality. Yeah, that. It's also a big idea. What it means is that sometimes what might look fair is not actually fair. It's the idea that really being fair is giving someone the same chances to be successful and happy when they grow up. Sometimes that means people need more than others to get the same opportunities. This is what CFI does. It's pretty cool if you ask me. Can CFI help a kid you know? Remember what I said about thinking about the big picture. Look at the whole situation, and that will help you think of ways CFI can help the kids you know. Do you have a big idea? Don't forget to reach out to my friends at TI. They are experts too. I taught them everything I know. That's it for now, but I leave you in good hands. Thank you for coming to my talk. Taima.